Hi, I'm Lauren. There are two main reasons you might be looking to switch away from welding. You're struggling to find highly skilled welders, or you're experiencing issues with welded joints. Here at Forgeway, we are adhesive specialists. We help people understand what they can and can't do with glue. And the question around alternative joining methods to welding is one we regularly answer. In this video, I will discuss the several alternatives to welding so you can decide which joining method suits your needs best. The most prominent issue with using welding is resource shortage. Finding sufficiently trained welders and welding supplies can be very challenging. The Health and Safety Executive has also introduced new regulations to protect the workers from the fumes that occur when welding indoors. Most of the time, manufacturers install local exhaust ventilation, LEV systems, to meet these requirements, but it can be a costly and time-consuming process. There are also physical drawbacks to welding. It cannot join dissimilar materials, and it creates a lot of heat, which can sometimes disfigure the metal if not welded correctly. There are two alternative methods of joining metal to metal: mechanical fasteners and adhesives. Mechanical fasteners have several advantages. They require minimal surface preparation, they don't need a cure time, and they are the only joining method that is easily reversible. They also have some disadvantages. They are prone to point loading, which can cause the fixing to fail over time. They create debris, or swarf, and they are a more costly option than the other two methods. There are several advantages and disadvantages to using adhesives too. Adhesives are an excellent option because they are often the cheapest joining method. They are the most effective method of joining for newer, more advanced materials such as carbon fibre, composites, and glass reinforced plastic. In the right situation, they can be just as strong as welding. Adhesives have some disadvantages too. They usually require more surface preparation than the other methods. They are the only method that has a cure time, and they require knowledge on how to use them, although not as extensive as welding. If you would like to explore the mechanical fasteners versus adhesives debate, download our checklist, which can help you to determine the better option for you. If adhesives seem like a good welding alternative, and you want to be sure that you are using the correct glue for your metal, then just continue watching. You can use adhesives instead of welding to join metal to metal, although there are a few caveats. A conventional weld will always offer a higher strength per square millimetre than adhesives. If you applied an adhesive to the same surface area as a welded joint, it will struggle to achieve the strength required. However, you can adjust the design of the joint to ensure that there's enough surface area for the adhesive to achieve a high strength bond. In summary, yes, you can use adhesives instead of welding, but you must be confident that the adhesive and the joint design are sufficient to achieve a strong and durable bond. We recently wrote an article that will help you to find the right strength adhesive for your application, and you can find the link below. Alternatively, you can reach out to an adhesive expert to help you with your application. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon.